Section 3, second part, it comes more challenge. It's all the kicking technique that we have is concentrated at these sections. When we execute the kicks, we should remember, find our balance first before we extend our legs out for the kick.
First, shifting weight from the single whip position. Shifting weight to your left leg, picking up right heels and toes, take a small step. Same footwork we had before. Sit back onto the right leg at the same time, extend your right hand hook into a straight palm and turn both hands facing upward. Bend your right elbow, pull your right hand next to your right chest. Move from right chest to the left chest. And now right hand trace out the left hand, same time pull left hand back. Place your right hand shoulder level high, your left hand at your belly button. Pick up your left heel. This is called half pat on horse. From single whip, we do this one more time. Shifting weight to the left, picking up right, take a small step. Sit back, opening right hook into palms, turn palms facing up. Drop right elbow, pose right hands next to your right chest. Move right hand from right chest to left chest and trace out with the left hand. Left hand pulls in. Pick up your left heel, half pat on horse. Front single whip, one more time. Shifting weight to the left, picking up right and take a small step. Sit back, turn both palms facing up. Drop your right hand down. Move right hand from right shoulder to left shoulder. Trace out with the left hand. Pick up your left heel. Half pat on horse. Front single whip. Now this is the common mistake people made, just like before. When you're shifting your weight forward, don't over shift your left knee. Just a little. Just enough for you to pick up right foot. Take a small step, but do not place your 2 feet together. Sit back, opening both palms facing up. At this time, check your shoulders and chest. Did you feel loose and comfortable? Bend your right elbow and pushes your right hand from right shoulder to the left shoulder. And now change both hands, picking up left heel. Half pat on horse. This is a very easy posture. We'll do this one more time, smoother, from single whip. Shifting weight to left, right foot, small step. Sit back, both palms facing up. Drop right hands and right hand traced out with the left. Hand change positions, picking up left heel. One more time. Half pat on horse from single whip. Shifting weight forward, right foot, small step. Sit back, turn both palms up. Drop right elbow, shoulder, chest loose. Right hands trace out with the left hand. Left hand pulls in. Left heels up. And this is the completion of the half pat on horse. And now we're going to do the kicks. When we do the kicks, the most important is how upright your body is. First, step your left heel out and place toes down. Shifting your weight to your left leg and at the same time cross your both hands in front of your body. Your right palms will be facing out and your left palm is facing yourself. 2, opening both hands, shoulder chest loose, and then squat your knees slightly. Circle hands down and up again in front of your chest with the right hand on the outside. Then shifting way, move your right foot in, place next to your left foot. Separate the hands by moving hands away from each other and rotate the palm facing outward. Picking up your right knee and extend your right heel out. This is called the right heel kick. From hip head on horse, one more time. Pick up your left foot, steps out, left heels and toes, foot is flat. Shifting way to the left leg. Raise your left hands, both hands crossed and touched. Right hand facing out, left palm face yourself. Turning left palms and both hands circle. Big circle, squat both knees slightly. And raise up again with the right hand on the outside, both hands in the cross in front of your chest. Shifting weight to the left, move your right foot next to your left leg. Separate both hands, rotating palm facing out, picking up your right knee, extend your right heel, and bend your right knee. And now let's repeat the right heel kick we just learned. And I need to caution everyone about the balance. So please follow me through. From hip head on horse, first we pick up our left leg to step out. Heel toes down and raise our left hand up. Shifting weight forward. Turning left palms, open both hands. Make a cross in front of your chest. Right hand on the outside. Right foot next to the left. Now I want to talk about balance. When we practice, it's based on what we can do. It's not what we want to do. If I kick real high, and my body is bending backward, it does not matter how high you kick, you are executing an improper posture. So kicking high is not the main point, but is how well you control your balance is. From here, follow me. Separate both hands, lift your right knee and extend your right foot. Right now, even I kick low, but this is a correct posture. We use this posture to learn as we become more flexible and more powerful in our legs. We will begin to kick higher. Kicking high is not the primary goal at this time. Pick up your left foot, step forward, heels and toes down. Lift your left hands into cross pattern. Turning left palms, open both hands. Squat down slightly. Cross your hands in front of your chest. Move your right foot in. Feel your balance first before you lift your legs to kick. Separate both hands. Lift your right knee and extend your right heel. Bend your right leg and hold your posture. This is right heel kick. in a smoother version from head pad onwards. Lift left foot, steps out, heels and toes. Cross your hands in front of your body. Turn left palm. Circle hands. Place in front of your chest, right hand on the outside. Move right foot in next to the left. Separate hands. Pick up right knee and kick right heel. Bend your right leg. Smoother with me. Pick up left leg 2 steps out. Lift left hand, turn palms, bend both knees, squat slightly, and raise up. Separate hands, move right foot's end, and right heel kick. Bend your right leg. That's the completion of right heel kick. And now is called box opponent's ear. Turning your both palms facing up and turn your waist so your 2 hands and your right legs is lined up together. That's first move. And second, bend your left knee, then place right heel down, toes down, foot flat. Drop your hands, drop your elbows. When the hands reached to your waist, both hands hold fist and rotating your wrist outward. Shifting weight forward and push both hands up to eye level. This is called box opponent's ears. Front right heel kick one more time. Turn both palms facing up. Turn waist, lined up arms and leg. Squat left leg to step, right foot down. Drop hands and elbow, both hands to the waist. Hold fist, rotating hands outward. Shifting weight, push both fists to eye level. Right heel kick one more time. Turn palms facing up. Turn waist, hands and foot lined up. Squats down to step right foot down. Lower the hands to the waist, hold fist. Rotate fist, shifting weight to push both hands to eye level. And now the common mistakes. Follow me from the kick. Turn palms, turn waist. Your supporting legs is solid. And don't move the left leg. Squat, steps down. When we drops the hands down, only drops in front of your waist, it's enough. The common mistakes is people pull the fist past their waist. We don't need to do that. Just at the waist, rotating both fists and pushes forward to eye level. And remember to keep your shoulders down. The feels of your shoulders, neck is loose. There is no tension. One more time, the smooth versions of this from the kick. Turn palm, turn waist, hands, foot lined up. Squat, step, pull hands towards the waist. Shifting weight, push both hands out. And now we will learn left heel kick. This move requires us to turn our direction. First, sit back, weight on left. Turn your waist towards the left and your right toes closed 90 degrees. Shifting weight to your right leg, picking up left heel and pull your left leg back next to your right foot. Open both hands from the fist into a palm. Drop shoulders, elbow, circle the hands down and squat your legs a little bit. Then rise up. Cross your hands in front of your chest. At this time, your left hand is placed in front. The root for the Tai Chi Kicking Technique is if you're kicking left leg, left hand's in front. If you kick right leg, right hand is in front. From here, push both hands up slightly, turn palms, separate out to the side. Both hands shoulder level. Lift your left knee and extend your left heel out. After the kick, bend your left knee, right hand hook, and move your left hand to your right shoulder. This is called the left heel kick. And now we're going to do this one more time. From the box opponent's ear. Sit back, turn waist to the left, close your right toes 90-degree angle. Shifting weight to the right leg, adjust left heel and pull your left foot back next to the right foot. Left foot on your toes. Opening both hands from fist to palm. Circle both hands down at the same time, squat on your right leg slightly. Lift your body, cross your hand, left hand on the outside. Circle hands slightly upward, turn palms out. Pick up your left knee, extend your left heel. Bend your left leg. Right hand change into a hook and move your left palm in front of your right shoulder. This is left heel kick. Let's do this one more time. From box opponent's ear. Sit back onto the left leg. Turn waist to the left, close your right toes approximately 90-degree. Shifting weight to the right leg, adjust your left foot. Pull left foot back next to the right foot. Open both fists. Circle hands, squats down slightly. Cross hand, lift body up. Separate hands, palm facing out. Lift left knee, extend left heel. Bend your left knee. Right hand change into a hook. Left hand move in front of right shoulder.